How to restart phone without power button. Suppose if your power button is not working and you want to restart your phone, then you need to follow all the steps in order to know how to restart phone without power button. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have turned on the accessibility menu. For that, you need to go to settings on your Android device. Then scroll down and tap on additional settings. Now go to accessibility and tap on accessibility menu. Here you need to toggle on the shortcut button and turn on accessibility button. Come back from here and select the accessibility button here, and you can tap on location, and here you can select any option that you wish to set the location of accessibility button. I have set to navigation bar. So at the bottom right corner of the screen here you can see the small person like icon, which is the accessibility button. So when you tap on that accessibility button, this box will appear where you can see power button next to accessibility settings. So let's tap on power. When you tap on power, this section will appear where you can simply slide the center button and tap on restart and easily restart our phone without power button. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.